everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button as well as give this video a thumbs up at the end. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions down below, as well as hit the notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on, as well as be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks that you guys are going to absolutely fall in love with, as well as take a look at our new merch store. We've got some great items in there. Happy Thursday, everyone. This is the day I know you've all been waiting for, our Supreme Lookbook Day. This is Supreme Week 4. For those of you who are hoping for a full lookbook, I must apologize. We are not going to have a full-on fashion show for you today just because I didn't really go crazy on the items this week. I kind of wanted to take a chill, but I did pick up some pieces, so we're going to go through those items. Also, going to give you a sneak peek on a shoe that I'm going to be styling this S hooded logo sweatshirt with. So you guys will definitely get to see that shoe, so stay till the end to see that. We're going to go through some of the sell-it times and also discuss how Resale is doing for this week. It's, a different week this week. I know every week, we don't really know what we're going to get with Supreme, but I kind of just took a chill pill in the store today. Didn't want to go too crazy, but I'm excited to still go through the items. I'm happy with what I got. So be sure in the comments down below as well to let me know if you guys copped anything or if you just took a pass this week. For those of you who are wondering what the Shade community has been up to over here in our Shade Productions, we've got a lot of shoes coming out. So it is going to be a crazy busy week. We've got Shade Coffee coming back this Saturday, so stay tuned for that. For those of you who joined me on the K-Swiss Live, thank you so much. You are going to be seeing this face more often with the K-Swiss team, so be sure to tune in for any details on our next live that we'll be doing with them, as well as some other future K-Swiss unboxings, which I'm excited to start doing. But other than that, we are now going to just hop into Supreme Week 4, talk about some of the items I was able to procure in store. I didn't go for anything online this morning. I slept in because I needed some rest. I've been traveling, you guys, modeling. Went to Minnesota this week for a photo shoot.
I'm on my way. I'ma have you on tiptoes, watching my diamond afterglow. I know you wanna take me home. I'm on my way. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW, on my way.
And now back in the state of New York in having this lovely rainy day today. Again, we are not going to have our fashion lookbook, but you will see me wearing this piece and some other pieces in a future unboxing for one of our shoes coming up, which again, stay till the end because I will be showing you that. But first up, I just want to talk about this S hooded sweatshirt. This is one of my favorite colors. I'm so excited because it's going to match perfectly with one of my shoes I copped this past week. And it's just this nice pink colorway. But what I love about it so much is how great the embroidered S's are. This is a really high quality hooded sweatshirt. It's really hard to tell in images, with how quality the embroidery is going to be, the patchwork is going to be until you actually have it in hand. And I think that Supreme did a really good job with this one. It has S's all over it, all down the arms. It even goes onto the hood, which, I'll just stand up and give you guys a little quick back detail look here. But you can see that there are some S's that go all the way up that hood. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this hooded sweatshirt. I got this in a medium. For those of you who are wondering about sizing with Supreme, be sure to check out my sizing video that I have up if you have no idea what size to order. I typically tend to go with mediums just because I do like that oversized fit a little bit, and I do think that these will over time shrink a lot. the more you wash it. But this pink colorway was my favorite out of the collection that they launched today. So I was excited to get this. Can't wait to show this to you guys in a styling lookbook as well in another video. We'll get into that later again with what shoe I'm going to be styling this with. Definitely start guessing, you guys. Let me know what shoe you think I'm going to be matching this hoodie with. All right, so for the next two items, I was very excited to get this Overdyed beanie. So I actually got two colorways just because this is a really like high quality ribbed beanie. Again, I know that it's hard to see this on images, but this is like a really cool coloring scheme in this coral kind of print as well as this kind of blue. I think these are going to be great colors for the spring. So I just wanted to cop a couple beanies to keep my earlobes warm, but also to be stylish in the spring. So let's take a look at the coral. We'll put that on so you guys can see the coloring scheme on this. Probably doesn't go so well with the pink, but I do like the blue actually with this pink S hooded sweatshirt. Not so bad. I'm probably gonna take a chill pill after this though on the beanie selection, but these retailed for $38. And definitely I feel like this is one of the highest quality beanies that I've gotten from Supreme. So pretty happy with it. Nice stitching on that box logo for the Supreme on the front as well. And I do think, again, these are gonna be great little accessories to style your spring wardrobe with. All right, so now let's get into the sellout times. Let's talk about what went the fastest this morning. Supreme Hysteric Glamour Snake Denim Trucker Jacket went the fastest in the small. Typically when Supreme does launch denim pieces, I feel like they are more limited. I just wasn't feeling the snake print. I think it's different in its own way, but for me personally, I wanted to just take a pass and save some money for the next week's coming up. Again, you guys know I'm looking forward to that Cause t-shirt when they do launch it, so I'm gonna probably hopefully grab that in every color I can possibly grab it in. Then it looks like people were going matchy-matchy and purchasing up that blue denim pant set to match that jacket. And of course it went in the other colors following that blue denim and the black, and then that multicolored coat. Let's see what was up next, followed by some crusher hats to match. As you guys know, I was pretty excited about the Supreme Hysteric Glamour zip-up sweater. Unfortunately, they did not have my size in store, and I really wanted to small that just because I feel like the sweater was a little too oversized in a medium. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to cop that, but you know what? I saved $368, so I'm not too bummed about that. More money in my pocket to spend on the next weeks to come. But yeah, looks like the Hysteric Glamour items went the fastest, followed by some of the plaid flannel shirts. And then the first hoodie to go actually was this colorway in a size small. I always tell you guys, pink just kills it when it comes to colors on Supreme. So this was definitely the fastest color to sell out, followed by, it looks like, the yellow. And then we've got the black. But yeah, that is the sellout times for this week. Hopefully you guys took some W's today. I don't know what all of you were going for, but definitely hit me in the comments and give me a shout out as to what you guys went for this morning and if you are big Hysteric Glamour fans. All right, so now let's just get into some of the resale on some of these items. So this embroidered S hooded sweatshirt, it retailed at $158. And currently it's going $240 and above depending on your size. Red is probably doing the best out of these colors. It's going from $260 to $400, and the worst color currently, obviously depending on your size, is the black colorway, which is reselling for $185 to $375. Then the Hysteric Glamour denim jacket in that blue colorway, which retailed at $248, is going for around $300 to $350, which I think if you were really crazy about that specific jacket, you know, it's not too crazy of an additional price point above that on the resale market. The knit logo zip up that I wanted in the white, which retailed at $368, is going for $480 and up. The asks are kind of all over the place. There's not many sales. I think that knit zip up was actually extremely limited, and that's why I wasn't able to find a small in a store, just because I don't think that they got a lot of those pieces, unfortunately. So I was a little bummed about that, but that's okay. As you guys know, a little more money in the bank when you don't cop something from Supreme. But that's it for this week. I'm sorry I don't have too much for you guys, but I will give you a sneak peek on a shoe that we are going to be doing an unboxing and a review on. So stay tuned for this. Put your guesses in now for what you think this shoe is. Drum roll. The Orange Pearls. I am so excited to be doing an unboxing on these coming up, and I'm so excited to pair it with this pink. I think it's really going to work well together, so stay tuned for the unboxing and review on this, but this is by far one of my favorite colorways in the Dunk Lows to release this year. All right, everyone. Thanks so much again for tuning in to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. Again, if you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up at the end if you haven't already. Be sure to leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on. As well as be sure to check out that join button. We've got some membership perks that you're not going to want to miss out on, as well as our new merch store. Until next time, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and we will see you on the next video.